This is a short video tutorial on how to turn on blue light filter on your Windows 10. So it's a very simple procedure. Just go to your search bar and type night light. Then you get it right there and press this one, system settings, in the system settings. Then turn on. It is on now. You can turn on or turn off. You can schedule it, but it needs your location settings. So I usually turn it on automatically at 7 p.m. and turn off at 7 a.m. So it's on right now, but I can turn off. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see on your screen. I usually realize as I edit on TikTok, it doesn't appear, but when I turn off, there's this light which is so bright, which might impact my sleep. So turn on. When I turn on, it gives me this orange look, which is less distracting than the bright light. Also, very quickly, when you want to change should change your brightness, go to settings, display, then change brightness intensity. I usually like making mine to 0, but it depends on your need and maybe the time you are using your computer. If you are using it during the day, maybe you are using it outside, you can adjust it to the maximum because maybe you are at the sunlight and you are in your cool breeze enjoying doing your work. But if you are at night like right now, if I leave it like this, even with the night light on, it's still so bright. So I usually reduce it to 0, but it depends on your level. Just light it like this. Though I'm giving this tutorial on Windows 10, yet most people have migrated to other versions. So, but the settings are the same for Windows 11. Maybe the user interface is slightly different, but they are just the same. So yeah, that's basically it. So nightlight settings, you can give your location. I don't know why I'm very reluctant to give my location. Location for this device is turned off, but you can turn it on so that you can schedule it so that it becomes automatic. So they say they need location settings to schedule nightlight at sunset, but they still turn it on for me. But you can turn it on manually because it will remind you so you don't damage your eyes, or even for discomfort. It can make you uncomfortable when you have this too much bright light. You can even increase the strength also. I almost forgot a very important thing. You can increase the strength of your night light. 100% is actually very dim, which is good. Maybe you are in a very dark room, but if it's of course during the day you turn off night light. If it's during the day, this is only for night time to ensure light doesn't bright you don't expose your eyes to too much bright light. But the more you increase this is the strength of the night light itself. As you can see here, night light settings, the strength 100% is dimmer and it's more orange or yellow. But the lesser you go, it's like you are turning it off. At 0, it's like you have turned it off. Alright, so I like maintaining mine somewhere at 50 there. 50, 53. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.